Wondering how to see which websites have been visited on your Spectrum internet connection? It's done through your Spectrum router's logs. You can access this information either via the My Spectrum app, make sure it's updated to the latest version, like 25.1, or by logging into your account at spectrum.net. Once logged in, find the Devices and Equipment section, select your router, and look for Internet History or Parental Controls. From here, you can view a list of recently visited websites, typically going back about 30 days. This shows metadata like URLs, timestamps, and device IDs for all connected devices on your network. Remember, this is router-level data, not the same as your individual browser history. Keep in mind, history doesn't include private browsing or VPN usage. Spectrum offers parental control features, now enhanced with Spectrum Family Shield, which allow you to filter website access for different users on your network. This lets you block categories of content like adult material or social media. These filters operate through DNS-based blocking or deep packet inspection. You can set up customizable profiles for family members, like kids or teens, and even set time-based restrictions. To configure these filters, navigate to the Parental Controls section within the My Spectrum app or the Spectrum.net portal. You can also set up alerts to notify you when someone attempts to access blocked websites. These parental controls are available to all Spectrum Internet subscribers at no extra cost. Be aware that filters aren't perfect and may sometimes block appropriate content, known as false positives, and should be regularly updated.